this video, I will show you how to verify your profile on MeetMe app easy and quick. Open MeetMe like this. It's going to take you here to the home page. So just click here on profile. Next, you see this list. You see here verify profile. Click and click verify now. And click yeah, I read all this and I agree. Click start now. And right now you have to record like a video. I will just keep my camera black. Right now I record like a video, and now right now it's analyzing and verification is complete as they said, and click OK. And yeah, that's all guys. Don't forget to support us by like and also subscribe, and bye.